5:30 tonight, it is a fight over money and manpower, and your safety is caught in the middle. Tonight, Palm Beach County leaders say they were caught off guard by a letter from the Riviera Beach Police chief saying that his officers will stop patrolling county parks. News Channel 5's Brian Inton live from Phil Foster Park tonight. He just spoke to police. Brian?
Shannon, you know, this is one of the busiest parks in the entire county, Phil Foster Park. Popular with the kids, popular with snorkelers and divers out here in the ocean, and also popular with homeless people. And for the last couple of years, Riviera Beach Police have patrolled here ever since PBSO did away with their parks unit. All of that, though, could change with this letter we got from the Riviera Beach Police chief. Phil Foster Park packed with divers from around the world.
It turns into a zoo, a parking zoo for people, both the locals, the divers, and everybody else.
Elaine Blum's been coming here for 15 years, watching the crowds and the complications.
As a female, security is always an issue with me.
Along with popularity comes problems. With almost 100 calls to Riviera Beach County parks each month, Riviera Beach Police Chief Clarence wrote this letter to PBSO saying they can't continue to do it alone.
In a nutshell, budget. We can no longer afford to absorb the added expense.
County leaders say they were totally surprised by the chief's letter. In an email, County Administrator Bob Weissman writes, "Less than 30 days notice, out of the blue. I guess it's a money issue on its face, unless there is some ulterior motive."
It's not that we're walking away, turning our back on the Sheriff's Department. We still all work together.
Joanne Hopper lives in suburban West Palm and doesn't want her neighborhood deputies reassigned to parks all the way in Riviera Beach.
We just have very few out there, and for them to be taken from out there to come here, not only would it take them 20 minutes to get here, but they'll be taken away from just the few that we have out there.
So right now, 3 parks impacted in Riviera Beach, but the issue could come if other municipalities in Palm Beach County follow suit and do what Riviera Beach is doing. That could become an issue for the Palm Beach County Sheriff's Office. That spokeswoman with the police department told me, of course, they will still assist here and they will still respond if they are the closest unit to the park. Live in Riviera Beach, Brian Inton, WPTV News Channel 5.